Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. In today's video, I am going to go over how to install, encrypt, backup, and restore your xuez wallet for Windows. So let's get started. First, you want to go to the xuez.coin website here at xuez.conf. Click download, and because we're doing this on Windows, you want to click the Windows icon, and it's gonna um, give you this prompt, and you want to click save. Or, I mean, it's very small. Sometimes I'll just go open, especially in Windows 10. You can pretty much drag and drop it for it to unzip. So let's minimize this browser. So I've opened the download. I'm going to click here and right click it. So you can see I'm going to right click it and drag and select copy here. And then we can close this up. Next, we're going to want to launch the Qt wallet, xuez.qt.exe. And we're going to wait for it to load. If you get this message, you can click OK. The reason why I got this message is because I've already loaded the blockchain on here just to save on time. So let me just click OK. And we'll wait. So the very first thing when installing a wallet is you'd want to encrypt it if that option is available. And in this, with this crypto, it is available. So, and you want to encrypt it before you start receiving funds. So first thing, I'm going to go to settings and click Encrypt Wallet. And then we're going to enter a password twice. So as you can see here, the prerequisites is 10 or more random characters or 8 or more words. So I'm going to click OK and click yes and wait a bit while it does its thing. And it could take a couple of seconds or it could take 20, 30 seconds. I've tried on various machines and some are really quick and some just take a bit longer. So let's wait a bit. Pretty soon. I did a brief, I guess it's not really brief, a 20-minute overview video of xuez. And if you're interested in this crypto, you can check it in my channel. Okay, so as you can see here, it says it's going to close once we hit OK. And click OK while it shuts down. There we go. And then now we're going to restart the Qt wallet. And we're going to make sure that we have access to it by going to settings and then unlock wallet. I'm going to put my passcode and then check this box because you want to make sure that it is only unlocked for atomization and staking only. We're going to click OK. And we are in. And if we put our mouse over this part of the screen, we can see wallet is encrypted and currently unlocked. So we basically have our wallet set up. At this point, I'm comfortable in giving the address and starting to receive funds in this wallet. Now, to receive funds and get your receiving address, you want to go to File and click Receiving Address. And from there, you can see one has already been created. You can right-click it and give it out. You can give it a label by right-clicking and selecting Edit. So I can just say this is public or main and click OK. You can create multiple, and I like to do that as a practice. Say, for instance, for cryptos that if I want to accept donations or put it out for tipping, I would probably label it as public and then click OK, and this will be the address I would give out. Or if you do it for mining, so we can kind of itemize the funds that you receive. So we're going to click close. I did forget one thing. We do need to add the nodes. It is recommended to add the nodes. So to add the nodes, and I'll put the nodes that need to be added in the description. If you click Tools, Open Wallet Configuration, oh, you have to add these nodes. I've already added them, but what you would normally do, normally it would be just blank, and then you would just, you would let me get the nodes again. Actually, let me click Close because I didn't save it. Normally that file would be blank. Let's go back to Tools, Open Wallet Configuration, and you would basically paste these nodes and click Save and then restart the wallet. But I've already had it from earlier. So that is pretty much it for the basic wallet setup. Now, one thing I always like to do is back up the wallet and then test the restore. So to back up, go to File, Backup Wallet. Now, a backup of the wallet, you do need to remember the the passcode that you use to encrypt it. So I am going to just save this on my desktop and call it xuez backup. And if we minimize this, we can see this is our backup wallet file. I'm going to leave it right here. So we have this backup file, and just to confirm that that wallet, we're going to go to File. Remember, I created these 3 receiving address. So I'm going to close this up, and we're just going to close everything up. And I'm going to show you how to restore this backup file. But in order to restore it, I am going to delete the area where the file is at. And to do that, we go to %appdata. So when you click in the search area, you can put %appdata and hit enter. And then click on xuez. And this is your wallet file. So I'm going to delete this. And then I am going to close this out and start the xuez wallet again. When we start it, it's going to create a new wallet file, and we'll see that in that wallet file is a newly generated address. There's only one address opposed to the 3 addresses that I created earlier that is in this backup. So as this is going and loading, just gotta wait a bit. Shouldn't take too long. There we go, 89%. So we're going to go to this file receiving addresses. You are going to see this is a totally new wallet. So we want to restore our old wallet. So I'm going to close everything up again. And then to restore it, you would normally put this backup, this DAT file in like a USB drive or someplace safe. But so we're going to restore this wallet file. So we go again back to %app, %app data, and enter. Go to xuez. We're going to take this existing wallet DAT file, delete it. We're going to move our backup here and then rename it wallet.dat. We can close this out and then we can start the Qt wallet. So installing encrypting, backup, and restoring the wallet is the first thing I like to do with any new cryptocurrency wallet that I um, get into, just to make sure that I have all my bases covered on it and have actually done the process of encrypting, backing up, and restoring. So let's go here to File, Receiving Addresses. We'll see they're all here. And we will see if we go here, Unlock Wallet, check that again, click OK. Oh, let's go here, and we can see it is unlocked. And it is syncing up with the blockchain, so that can take some time depending how long. Anyway, that is it. Hope it helps out if you are getting into xuez. And thank you for watching.